Hello. Now we are going to study how an electric bulb works. Okay. So this is a typical diagram of an electric bulb. It has a screw thread over here, and inert gas is filled in this whole glass bulb, which is basically nitrogen gas or an argon gas. Then there is a tungsten. There is a filament which is made up of tungsten, and this filament gets heated up to 3400 degrees Celsius. This is a glass bulb over this, and this is a connection. So what happens? What will happen? This bulb is filled with inert gas, right? So what will happen if we fill it with normal gas? What we get in our room? What will happen? And if we do such a thing, then this tungsten filament will get blown away. And so in order to protect this tungsten element, we fill the bulb with the nitrogen or argon gas, basically inert gas. Okay. So when you switch on your switchboard at home, what happens? The electricity will flow through this. What is the use of this screw thread? This screw thread is used so that you fix the bulb in the holder. I have bought a bulb here. I'll show you experimentally. So this is the screw terminal, right? This is the screw terminals which will go into your holder. This is the holder. This is a typical holder. What will happen? What is the use of these screw terminals which I have shown over here? The use of screw terminals is that it is used to fix this bulb into the holder like this. Okay. Then I have shown here the connection. See, you can see the connections over here. Okay. This also goes in, and there are 2 points over which this connection will get fit into your holder. Okay. You can see that there are 2 points in the holder over which this 2 connection will get fixed. So the main purpose of this screw thread is that the bulbs get fixed into this holder. See, the bulb will get fixed. Then this is the glass bulb. Okay. This whole thing is nothing but the glass bulb. The inside filament, this inside silver thing which we see in the bulb is nothing but the filament. Okay, tungsten filament. And this whole glass bulb is filled with an inert gas, nitrogen or an argon. This bulb, up to when this bulb will work? This bulb will work only and only when this tungsten wire is not broken. Once this wire gets blown away or it gets broken due to some reason, then this bulb will not work henceforth. Okay. Or even if the bulb gets broken when it is fallen or due to some reason, then also the bulb will not blow. Why it will not blow? Because the inert gas which is present in this bulb, it will get vanished as the bulb will get as the bulb will get broken. So this is the whole thing I wanted to show here. Then I want to show you here the working of this electric bulb. What will happen? That when you switch on the switchboard in your house, the electric current will start flowing. The electric current will flow through these connections, through this tungsten filament, and it will return to the supply terminal, right? As we know that the energy generated will get transformed from one form to another form. Right? The energy doesn't get destroyed. It will always get transformed from one form to another form. This is the law of conservation of energy. So here what happens is that the electrical energy is basically gets converted into light energy. Right? Electrical energy which we get from the switchboard, from the supply of our house, that will get converted into the light energy. So this is the conversion of the energy which is happening over here. So what happens is that the current will start flowing here, and then it will flow through this tungsten element, and then it will return back to the supply of our house. Then this tungsten filament will get heated up to the degree of what? 3400 degrees Celsius, right? What will happen at this temperature? The tungsten filament will start emitting the light, and we will experience that the bulb has glowed. So this all things take place at a very short duration. The tungsten is such a filament that it gets heated very fast, and the bulbs get glowed. We can see that within the fraction of the second, the bulb will get glow when you switch on the bulb in your house, right? So this is the whole working of an electric